Did you know that your social media posts may be undermining your personal injury case, and it may end up turning out to be the reason you get less or even no money as a result of your accident? Listen to the rest of this video and I'll go through the reasons why that may happen. My name is Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in New York, and in this video, I'm going to go through how your social media posts may affect your case. So as part of your personal injury case, we're required to turn over your relevant medical records to the insurance company and their attorneys. And in your medical records, it's going to contain not only your injuries, but the complaints of pain that you have when you see the doctor. And in those medical records, because of your injuries, you may be telling the doctor that there are certain things that you cannot do. However, if later on in the case, there's social media posts or videos of you doing those things, that is going to undermine your case in the eyes of a judge, a jury, and the insurance company when they decide how much money to offer on your case. For instance, if you're someone who's been involved in an accident where you hurt your knee, and you're telling the doctors that you're having trouble walking long distance, and then someone posts a video of a photo of you climbing stairs or hiking, the insurance company is going to demand all photographs on your social media account. And if they see that photo, they're going to look at your medical records and think that you were lying to the doctor when you said that you couldn't stand or walk for long distances. Now, after we turn over all your medical records to the insurance company, most of the time you'll have to sit for a deposition. And a deposition is a question and answer session where the insurance company's attorneys or the city attorneys get to ask you questions about how your accident happened, what type of injuries you suffered, what type of medical treatment you received, and what type of effect the injury had on your life. So if you testify at that deposition and say that there's a number of things that you can no longer do because of this accident, what the insurance company's attorneys are going to do is going to demand to see your social media information and do their own check to make sure that you're not really doing those things that you said you were doing before the accident. And if they find any evidence online of you doing those things that you said that you couldn't do, it's going to negatively affect the way that they look at your case and the amount of money they will offer to settle it. Now, there are multiple examples of how this has affected plaintiffs in the personal injury field, not just my clients, but in other cases as well. And in some of these cases, it even involved people posting photos and videos that were taken before the accident. But because the people happened to post it after the accident happened, the insurance companies and the judges may have thought that these photos were taken after the accident. So what's very important to do when you're involved in a car accident or a trip and fall accident is to make sure that you make your accounts private and that you be very careful about anything that you're posting. Now, if you've been involved in an accident, it's very important that you're not allowed to delete any of your social media accounts because that could be evidence that a judge may require you to turn over. What it is important to do is to make sure that all your accounts are set to private. You shouldn't accept any friend requests from people that you don't know. Do not take any posts down that you had made before the case started, but also be very, very cognizant of anything that you post in the future and speak with your attorney to get better legal advice. Now, I hope that this information was helpful to you. I know it's something that people may often think is a very innocent thing to just post a photograph or a video onto their social media account, but they may be unwittingly hurting their own case. It's very important that if you are involved in any type of accident, that you speak with an attorney who knows how to properly guide you in that case. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to know more, please make sure that you subscribe to this video channel so that you get all updates on future videos on personal injury law. I'm Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney in New York City, and I'll catch you on the next video.